Garden Drive, Naples, Florida. This is Michelleb. Today is October 17, 2022. Beautiful homes are still going up in the area. As you see, there's another one almost finished with construction. Furnitures are still laying at the side here. Cleanup has begun. It looks pretty good considering we had a hurricane 2.5 weeks ago. It's pretty good. The city of Naples is doing a great job getting this place cleaned up. So I'm heading down on Gordon Drive. This is south of 5th Avenue. So I'm heading down. Lots of brown tree and foliage because this area is just basically minutes from the beach. So I got a whipping from Hurricaneian. Unfortunately, it's really sad. It's still sad to see all the stuff on television. I tell you, whenever I see it, I choke up. But I wanted to come down and see it for myself, and it's so sad. But I'm telling you, Naples is rebuilding pretty fast. I'm happy to see what's happening. I just wanted to show you Collier Shores right there, the sign of rooted, lots of brown. So as I continue to drive here along Gordon Drive, you can see the beautiful homes. This is called Collier Shores right here, south of Naples 5th Avenue. Those are new construction homes. You see the arrow on the left side there going down, still going up. Take a longer time to finish, but hey, nothing is stopping. New construction here in Naples, Florida. It's gonna keep going on, and it's gonna keep happening. Gordon Drive. Yes. This is where you'll see the most expensive homes you will find. Down here, as we head down, and actually heading down to the area called Port Royal. And this is actually a part of Port Royal, Collier Drive. Don't know how much I can see, but I can show you as much as is allowed. I don't see anything being blocked off. Nobody's telling me I can't drive, so I'm going to drive and I'm going to show you. In Port Royal here, lots of multi-million dollar homes. Homes are still for sale. The signs are still up. The thing that's missing is the lush vegetation. But thank God, oh my God, that house got destroyed. That one, maybe a tree hit it in the roof. That one really got damaged. But so far, I see a lot of beautiful homes still standing. Some of them look like they're newer construction. The ones that, this is not new, but it looks good. It's great. Happy to see that. I did this drive about 3 years ago. And the same drive here in Port Royal. Love the sculpture. The turtles. Driving along here in Port Royal. Michelleb, Naples, Florida Realtor here. Just showing you off Port Royal after Hurricane Ian came through 2.5 weeks ago. Beautiful homes, multi-million dollar homes are still here for you. Okay, so I'm just showing you a little bit. Let me drive over here, show you more. Lots more to see. I'm just giving you what's happening in Port Royal. Been down here a couple of times, but we're just like 10 to 15 minutes south of 5th Avenue. Okay, this is where you'll find the most expensive homes you can imagine. This is where it's located. This is actually still on Collier Drive, and hey, Naples is still beautiful after Hurricane Ian. It's sad to know that a lot of people lost their homes you know, in Fort Myers Beach, it just breaks my heart. That's why I have gone out and did some volunteering, and I'm scheduled to do some more, and I'm trying to get my cooking done to give out to those who really need some hot meals because they're still not situated after the hurricane. Those people, especially in Fort Myers and, you know, north of Naples, they really have gotten really bad. What's the word? There's nothing to describe it. It was really heartbreaking to see on the television. So I can do what I can. I have given online, but I can do what I can do physically to volunteer and definitely help out. So, but I'm just taking a break today to show you what's out here because I've been busy, you know, busy time in real estate. So now I get to show you parts of my city, Naples, Florida. And I think this will be the end of my tour for today, and I will turn back in just a moment here where I can find a place to turn back. And hope you stay well and blessed and safe, and if you can, give and help in any way you can to any organization. I give to St. Matthew's. There are other places you can give to, so any little, any big helps, definitely. Have a great day. Michelleb coming to you from beautiful Naples, Florida, after the Hurricaneian came through. This is October 17, 2022. Have a blessed and beautiful day. Michelleb, Naples Realtor here. Have a great day.